It is raining again, but not from the sky, but from over there. And there's a rainbow over here. Look at the rainbow. It's beautiful here. Here we go. Good morning from Toronto. Or no, we're not in Toronto. We're at Niagara Falls. Is that in Toronto, Hama? No, we're not in Toronto. I'm sorry. We arrived at the boat tour. I got a poncho, which means we're getting very wet. The question is, how do I get this poncho? I think it's like this. Like this. I mean, am I ready or not? I mean, this could be a new Balenciaga piece of clothing. I think we're ready for the Niagara Falls. Look at this beauty. Look at this guy, also getting this poncho on. There's the boat, and look at the falls. I think the poncho feels good. This is my new drip. I think I will walk like this from now on. And it seems like that we are too late for this boat. It's a bit cold, and I have a summer jacket with a t-shirt on. As you can tell, I don't learn from my own mistakes and keep making them. But hey, I'm still struggling with the poncho. Please comment if you think you would have done it faster than Hama. We made it to the boat.
Where are you going?
And the best view is
Like front.
bottom front, because if you're on top, you're just standing over there. Bottom front is like you're a bit further and you can see the water. And of course, you will pass through, not through, but you'll get close to the waterfalls. There's one over there, there's one over there. That tall thing over there is the observatory deck, I guess. Yeah, there's a casino over there. Probably it's one of the tourist attractions here. So if you like casinos, you can also go to Niagara Falls, I guess. See some waterfalls and a casino. So yeah, I wouldn't recommend. Keep your money for yourself. 9 out of 10 times you're losing anyway. I'm not gonna talk about my casino experiences. It's not the right moment for that. We'll do that when we have a Las Vegas episode one day. But for now, we are on a boat. Amma? We are on a boat. This is as close as we'll get to the falls. If you look closely up there, you see people. And that is the USA. It is very cold. My hands are freezing. My face, my nose. I'm hungry. I'm dehydrated. I'm sleep deprived. But people, it is beautiful. Damn. And I'm getting very wet. I can see just through my glasses, so I have to take them off. So I have to look like this. Oh man, so much water. Oh, could have skipped the shower this morning. Why are we doing this, Hannah? We are walking in, I think this is downtown Niagara Falls, and as you can tell, someone is singing, or I don't know. I don't think it's live. Is it live music, or? I think so. Yeah, it's live music, so it's not copyrighted. That's good. So I can put it in my vlog. And it is a very, 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 very commercial city. So in Niagara Falls, they focus a lot on the tourists. Everything is designed for tourists, and this city is one big attraction park. Look at it. Like, why go to Disney World if you have Niagara Falls, downtown. What do you think of this commercial city center, downtown, attraction park, Disney World,
Interesting.
Niagara Falls World, or however you want to call it? Downtown Niagara Falls. And what are we gonna do now? We are going to have breakfast slash lunch. Because what are we, Hama? Sleep deprived, food deprived, dehydrated, hungry, tired. But most important of all, we are happy. Right? If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Okay, that was not very enthusiastic, but for Hama terms, that is very happy. Look, there's the Ferris wheel. They have everything here. There's a zip line, there's a Ferris wheel.
Not so happy.
Okay, he's not so happy because he's probably tired.
Just seeing a message that our rent is being increased by 4.45%.
Okay, this is bad news, people. 4.5% is a lot of money. So, Hannah, how do we conclude this walk at Clifton Hill?
Looks good. I'm gonna have some coffee.
After the coffee, we're gonna have some good lunch. And of course, I will take you with me because no party without the viewers. I'm at this coffee. Do you feel alive now?
Not yet.
Not yet. The coffee still has to do its magic. But we are going to not to Casablanca Bazaar, not to Fresh Burrito, not to Hakalicious, not to Outback, not to Crunchy Fried Chicken, but we are going to, drum rolls, Popeyes, Louisiana Kitchen, because we want some fried chicken. Okay, what do we have at Popeyes? We start with the deluxe sandwich. So this is the deluxe sandwich. Some fries, the tenders, and some buttermilk ranch, and of course a drink. So first bite of the sandwich. Good. I haven't had the bread yet. Look, it's just the chicken. We haven't got to the bread yet, but it's very good. Louisiana Kitchen, Popeyes. You'll never disappoint. Now let's try the tenders with some ranch, buttermilk. This is fast food, people. It's fresh, you got it fast, and it tastes delicious. Yeah, Clifton Hill. It is as thirsty as it can get, but I gotta be honest with you, people. I love it. I love the atmosphere. I like it. It's not high season yet, so it is not as busy as it will be in summer. But I actually enjoy it. Look, like any attraction you can imagine, you have it over here. Who's gonna win? Comment. Hama or me? Hama, who's gonna win? You or me? So you heard it, he's going to win. But comment if you think I'm gonna win, or if you think Hama's gonna win, or if you think we're both gonna lose. I don't know how, but you can comment that we're both gonna lose. No bumping, these are the cars, these are the helmets. I have a big head, so I should probably get a large or an extra large. Hama's behind me. You can see what's there. Yes. Brake. I have to buckle up. Get my seatbelt on. Safety first, people. Don't forget. It's going to be a 5-minute drive. I think $14.69 on top of my head. Tourists like me, they'll fall for it, they'll pay for it. But hey, it's fun. We were once in Niagara Falls. When in Clifton Hill, just enjoy it. Off we go! was fun. So that's a wrap. Felt good. Started at the back, almost in front. Almost did a majestic, not for us unfortunately, but Hama started one car behind me, he ended two cars behind me. And what can I tell you? A lot of Mario Kart battles won on the Rainbow Road. All those hours well spent. It was leading up to this moment. And I gotta say, these 5 minutes, Hama, the best 5 minutes at Niagara Falls, it was very fun. So if you're here, definitely come do the... Where are we, Hama? We are at the outlet collection, I think it's called the outlet collection, and it is next to Niagara Falls, and we will have a pit stop over here, maybe buy something. And Hama, what did we buy?
Just some shirts for my dad.
He bought some Tommy Hilfiger shirts for his dad, a good friend of mine. I'm not gonna out him. His name is Elias. He used to say Tommy Hellfire and not Tommy Hilfiger. So yeah, we bought 2 t-shirts of them. Which color? Can we see, Hama? Can we have a look inside? A polo's good. Oh, I see some Lindt chocolate over there. Well, that looks a bit successful until now. And now we're going to the eatery washroom administration office. That way, we don't need anything at the administration office. Piece of advice, the coupon you got, Hama, can you say something about that?
Which coupon?
The 10% discount card.
Yeah, just go to the information center and they will give you this card. So you can get some
discount.
Yeah.
We're now at Columbia. And as you know, I was not prepared for the cold in Canada, especially not in Banff. And I had spring clothes, but not for winter. So eventually I managed to buy this one over here, this jacket. What is it, the vest, the jacket, you see? I'm walking out, no alarm beeping off. So I would say I succeeded. I bought something for myself. It's very warm. I think I'll need it when it gets cold again. And I'm happy that I bought something. What do you think of my new purchase, Hama?
Looks very good. Very good.
See?
Nice color combination.
See, nice color combination. It looks very good. When the patron says that, it is what he says. So, and it's getting cold because it's getting late. So I came here with the t-shirt, and now I'm walking out like this. Niagara Falls is a wrap. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment, share. And oh yeah, welcome to a new episode of purse shopping with Hama. He is still looking for a purse, but I don't think he's gonna find what he's looking for. Any particular purse you're looking for, Hama?
Nothing particular.
Yeah. Well, he is looking for a Michael Kors one, navy blue. I think the classic one, like a small bag. I don't know which one it is, but we have been going to a lot of stores for a Michael Kors bag, but unfortunately we're not gonna find one. I hope we'll find one for him, but I'm afraid we will not. But if we do, you'll be the first one to know.